My name is Elva Fonseca, and my business is Sensational Organizing Services. We are a team of professional organizers that goes to people's homes and helps people declutter and get organized in their homes and in their business. So a lot of clients maybe feel like they could do it, but then at the end of the day, it's the hauling of the things and getting rid of those items and what to do with what I don't want anymore. And so our business really takes care of all of the details from getting organized to decluttering to buying of the organizing containers, everything. We encompass everything that a client needs to get organized. As a business, we were doing okay, meaning getting by, but there were a lot of gaps that I discovered needed to be filled as far as knowledge or insights about running a business, because I didn't go to school to run a business. I just knew how to do my trade and how to serve people. But as far as running a business, I was operating out of trial and error and just jumping and doing my best at everything. But I knew that there was some information that I needed in order to take my business to the next level. I believe I just felt very frustrated and overwhelmed, lost. I remember reaching out to the San Dimas Chamber, and they recommended another organization, but it wasn't easy to get through to them. I was having a hard time hearing back from them. So I requested another referral, and they referred me to SBDC here in Laverne, and I immediately got a response back and started the process with Sean. Specific challenges that my business was experiencing is that there wasn't a continuous flow of clients, and I didn't know quite what my marketing strategy was to get more people through the door, or to the telephone to give me a call. And as far as pricing, again, I felt this where I couldn't push through some mindset barriers in regards to pricing. I've always grown up helping people, and so I felt that if I charged, that I would scare people away, or that I would seem like someone that was taking advantage of people. And so pricing was always an issue because I wanted to serve, but I also felt like I couldn't make ends meet. And so it was that struggle, that mindset that held me back from not just serving my clients well, but also providing for the business so that it could flourish and help other people. Sean is a very easy person to talk to, and so I felt very easy to open up and just be very transparent about the inner struggles that I was having, not just the things that were showing up on the outside of the, needing to get more customers, maybe also some clarity around what was different about my business and how I stood out from the competition or the other organizations that maybe do something similar than I do. And so it was just getting a lot of clarity around my services and what we do for clients. Those are the main things that I felt Sean really helped me with. Well, first of all, there was a spreadsheet where he helped me do a brain dump, an analysis of what kinds of things the clients were saying in their testimonials of the things that I did. And that helped me gain clarity of what was different about my services and how I helped people on a deeper level. Besides getting clarity, we created a plan for marketing, and he helped me set up Google AdWords in order to create additional marketing and attract people to clicking and giving a call. He thoroughly reviewed my website, suggested things that needed implementation and editing so that when clients go to my website, they're not getting lost and they're not going to another page instead because they may get frustrated not finding the button. Just getting clarity of when the page loads, you want them to see the button right away. The pricing aspect of it was a lot of conversation and breaking down what I'm currently charging, how I'm structuring it, what I'm offering, and a removal of shredding and removal of electronic waste and all the additional services that I provide for clients, just getting clarity as far as verbiage and structuring my pricing as well, so that I'm providing value for the services that I provide my clients. He referred me to a gal to help analyze my social media. She did an analysis of my social media and gave me suggestions of things that I could do to drive more engagement. It was getting more clearer pictures, because my website or my business has to do a lot with giving people peace and order. And so she showed me tricks of taking pictures with cleaner lines so that it looks cleaner and more attractive to potential clients, as well as making more engaging content, what happens behind the scenes, what a typical job looks like from start to finish. It was amazing to see the transformation happen from one year to the next when I started working with Sean. The pricing aspect made a huge difference, as well as the marketing. We increased our sales from about 50 to 60,000 a year to 2021 we made 167,000. I just want to thank SBDC for existing, I guess, for being a resource for us business owners, because without valuable resources like this, I don't think that businesses could thrive, especially in situations such as the pandemic, where a lot of businesses struggled. And yes, having resources like this is a godsend.